Now that we have a course added as a product, the next step is to create this offer. This is where you decide how people will actually get access, whether it's a one-time payment, a subscription, or if you're bundling this product with others. In the top right, click Create Offer. I'll give this a title, then I'll select which products to include in this offer. YouTube Ranking Academy is the one we just added. For type, again, until I add that payment processor, free is the only type we can have, and you can add a price text override if you'd like. Then I'll create the offer. You can see that we're currently in draft mode here. This is our title, our description, and our price. I'll set this to published, and then I'll save. We can check out Upsell, where we would add additional offers. And then we can get a link to the offer. I'll copy this, and we can also preview it right here in this tab. I'll close this, go back to details. You can also edit the checkout. So I'll click here, and there are a few more things you can configure. You can add a banner image here, a poster image, a logo image. You can collect some contact information. Maybe you want their phone number. If we go back, you can also configure a service agreement.